This is fit for a 2005 through 2015 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab with a 5-foot bed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima Overhaul HD heavy-duty aluminum height-adjustable truck rack. This rack is using the Overhaul uprights, which are height-adjustable, anywhere from 19 to 30 inches above the bed rail height. The recommended length load bar is 60-inch. It connects to the Toyota Tacoma track system using the Yakima Track Kit. Locks are included, part of Yakima's SKS same key system. Integrated tie downs with bottle openers on each upright. Load bars have the steel bar tie down for Yakima's hook straps. The upright is pre-threaded to accept the Yakima sidebars, which allow for attachment of additional accessories, including rotopack mounts, recovery board mounts, and other accessories. Overall weight carrying capacity is 500 pounds, evenly distributed. And here we have the crossbars positioned at 41 inches from front to rear, center to center. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.